Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Monday, November 11th at 7:10 in the morning. Welcome to my channel, Relearning to Draw After 55. Today we are drawing a dragon hatchling. We are drawing it out of the book Dragons Learn to Draw Step by Step by Walter Foster Publishing. And we're continuing on with my practice drawings. Before I get into real life stuff, I want to get a lot more work done so that I can make things look a lot better. So it's probably going to take some time. So if you want to follow along at my progression, you can. I've got my coffee this morning, and we're working on the head first. I saw somebody, well, actually a couple artists that say they like starting with the eye first, and I would have to agree. Starting with the eye, it helps it give it a little more character first. And I don't know if you've noticed, but I jump around a lot. That's what I've noticed after watching my videos while I'm recording the sound for it. I never noticed that when I'm actually working on it. Was kind of interesting to me. I'll work on the head for a little, I'll go to the hand, I'll go to the foot, I'll go to the shell, then come back to the head. I don't, that's kind of, I guess, a little strange, maybe not. Let me know if you do the same thing, or if you've noticed how you draw. But the dragon, the egg itself, I was actually more worried about the eggshell than the dragon baby, which I don't know how much with dragon. I think I got the snout a little too square. I should have went pointed on the snout. And then off camera I filled in right there inside a little darker. You'll see on the final product. But I was a little worried about the hands, and that would be Octavia coming to join. So it turned out fairly well. Not, I would like it to look a lot more realistic, even though it's a fantasy creature. I understand that. But I think I'm progressing fairly okay. I'm satisfied where I'm at after just starting just recently again. So I encourage you to start a hobby and get going. So here's my final product, and hope you have a great Monday and happy Veterans Day.